Hi guys, and this is our new video about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to unfollow on Instagram app. So let's go to Instagram. And as you know, there are times when each of us wants to change the way we maintain our Instagram account and unsubscribe from everyone. But unfortunately, there is no option that allows us to unsubscribe from everyone at once. But we can do it step by step by selecting unnecessary accounts from the list of our subscriptions. So to do this smoothly, let's go to our profile page, which is located here on the bottom panel. Let's tap on it, and later let's click on the following section at the top bar. So we have our whole following list, and we can smoothly manage it and adjust after clicking on the bottom of the selected account to unfollow. Let's do it. As I said before, in this way we can manage our list and choose a lot of different accounts to unfollow, unsubscribe, which is really very convenient, but unfortunately we don't have this specific option to disable the followings from everyone. Okay, so it was the first option, how to unfollow, and the next one is when you are on your For You page and you, as an example, find an account you don't want to follow on. So let's click on the name of the selected user and let's tap on the following section here. On the appeared bar notification, we need to choose unfollow, and ta-da! As you can see, this is the second way to smoothly unsubscribe from the selected user. So you can, as an example, correct your following list in real life when you just find an account you don't want to follow on. So this is a really cool option. I hope that right now you know how to manage your following list and make your account interesting for you and customizing. So guys, customize it. So guys, don't forget about likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool options and tricks about different apps and also about the Instagram. So goodbye!